Okay, so in this tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to use Copilot to create your website using just images. Okay, so let's say, for example, you made a whole website in Figma. Okay, this is a website I ended up designing. It's a simple one. Okay, but you can see that I divided it up into different sections. Okay, and using this, I ended up exporting all of these. Okay, in the public, I just ended up adding all of these images in. Okay, so all of these are the different sections. Okay, and this one is the full home page website. Okay, so this is the full website. These are the different parts. Okay, so you get the idea that you basically divide up all of the different sections and you just put them into your project here. Okay, or you could even have them in some other folder. It doesn't really matter. The point is to have all of the different sections and also all of the full image as well. Okay, so using the different sections, I'm gonna have it code the whole website for me. Okay, so I'm gonna open up chat. Okay, so I've opened up GitHub Copilot. I'm using Gemini 2.5 Flash for this, okay? And I'm using agent mode, okay? And you have to keep it on agent mode. Otherwise, you could also go into edit mode. That is also a good option. Or you could use ask if you just want it to code the website first and then have it applied by clicking the option to apply it into your page. Okay, so I'm going to take on all of these images. So I'm going to write this prompt. You can change it according to whatever website you're trying to make, but this is going to be my prompt according to the images I have submitted. Okay, so I should be good to go, and let's see what it gives me. So first I'm going to show you what this looks like. So it is a blank website right now. Okay, so I need to put in the home.png image as well. Okay, the reason is that this is the full website design. Okay, so it's gonna arrange the sections according to this. Okay, so I'm gonna continue with this and see what this gives me. Okay, so it is done, and I'm gonna save this first. Oh, it has some kind of error here. Let's just check this out. Didn't apply the rest of the code for some reason. Okay. Okay, this is the rest of the code actually. So it didn't apply it for some reason. I'm just gonna copy this. I'm gonna put this here. And now I'm gonna save this. So let's see the final result. Okay, did it use Tailwind CSS? No, I should have specified that actually. It added its own styling. Okay, that's a small problem. Okay, what you can do to fix that is just submit all of these images again. So I'm going to try this now. Okay, so finally the code has been applied. I kept running into a problem, which turns out that it is not a AI problem. It is more of a GitHub Copilot entering the code inside of this. Maybe it has to do with agent mode, but I told it to generate all of the code for me in this, okay? And then I tried to apply it using this, but it for some reason would not apply it correctly. It would just stop at a certain point, okay? So I just copied the code and just pasted it in, okay? So that gave me this. Now, all of this seems good, okay? This, however, needed to be in the center, and it didn't apply the style that I had with this image, okay? The icons, it auto-generated and placed everything in the center, which I guess is not too bad. You can easily fix this up, okay? So this, however, is not correct. It did not accurately apply all of this, okay? And this is actually pretty close to what I gave it, but it didn't apply this correctly. So this is how the code will be generated, and you can just edit this easily because most of the code has been written for you, okay? So let me just show you this section. So as you can see, this had like this border design, and the image should have been empty, which it did add a empty image. This border design should have been added. It also did not add the fonts, okay? The color for this, now that I think about it, yeah, the color is not correct either. This is actually pretty close, so not gonna worry about this one. This one was a darker background with this in the center, okay? And these were white. So it gave me this, which is not that close. It's kind of close, but not too close. Also, it made the button black for some reason. This is very plain, but that is because I made it like this, okay? So I guess you can just change a few things and make it close to this design. Okay, so it's a good way to quickly just generate a boilerplate template for you so that you can do this. So this was how to use GitHub Copilot with Gemini 2.5 Flash. I hope you liked this tutorial. Like and subscribe to stay updated on the latest tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.